morning. Good morning. Welcome to the final question of the Oxford Sandy and Black Pig Group Foundation Charity Christmas Competition 2024. Hope you've enjoyed the competition. Before we start on question 8, I just want to, question 6 has caused a little bit of confusion, and I've gone back and looked at it, and I think I've tried to be a little bit too creative with my logic and have makes it very difficult to solve, and I want to make it a bit fair for everyone. So for question 6, we're looking for you to solve the pig logic puzzle. We want you to find D, which is the name of the pig that lives in the orchard. The answer I was looking for is Clarence. That's what you need to use to work out what D is. And L was the name of the bedding in Jack's pen, which was straw, and the location of where Mary lives, and that was the barn. So there are your answers for question 6, so you can get those numbers in. To answer the competition, so you should end up with letters A through to P of the alphabet with a number of some kind next to them. And we need to do that you need to convert that into this table here. Punch the numbers in. A goes into the square below A, B below B, etc., etc. And then you'll get these. The top one is the north-facing grid reference, and the bottom one is the west-facing grid reference. So when you fill in all those, you need to go to maps.google.com is the ideal place to go, and then you put in the top number, so the one with digits A through to H, which is the north direction, making sure you put the decimal point that I've indicated on the form in there, then a comma, and then the number that appears in the bottom row, which is I through to P, which is the west direction. You put those numbers into Google Maps and hit enter. It will take you to somewhere in the UK. Now, if you haven't managed to solve all of them, but you've generally got A, B, C, D, and I, J, K, and L, you should be able to get in the rough location as to where I'm looking for. And from that, you can then go to our website and use our Breeders Interactive Map to find the location that we're looking for, because we're basically looking for a breeder pork producer that's on our breeders map. So even if you're not exact, you don't have all the way down to H and P, etc., you can still, like I say, with the first 4 digits of each number, you should get in the rough location, and from there you can then go over to our interactive map. I'll put a link in the description for you, and that'll show you the place that we're looking for. Should put you in the right area to find out who that is. So that's the solution. I'm just going to put a quick video demonstration up that shows you how to use Google Maps to find that location for you, and I hope for you, and I hope you find that useful. If there's any questions about that, just let me know in the comments or message me, and then you need to go to our website to enter the competition. All we want is the name of the breeder / producer that we've been looking for these past 4 weeks. Go to our website where all the questions are. There's a button at the bottom to open the form to submit your answers. We just need your email address, a phone number to contact you on, obviously your name and your answer. And I'll be online 9 o'clock on Christmas Eve to announce who the winner is. So question 8, the final question, we're looking for I and O, and I've called the round for question 8, less is more. So we want to know is associated with the Icelandic alternative rock post-hardcore band from Reykjavik. And O, we want to know what number links these films. And there's a list of films in the answer there. I'm not going to read them out one by one. It might make it somewhat obvious, but there's your clues. And again, if any of your numbers that you've worked out to any of these solutions are greater than 10, or 10 or greater, add the 2 digits together. So if the answer is 10, add 1 and 0, you get 1. If the answer is 17, you add 1 and 7, you get the answer 18. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling again, and here is question 8. Rounds up the questions for the quiz. This is obviously the last video I'll be doing, but I'll be announcing the winner on Christmas Eve morning. You have until 10 p.m. UK time on the 23rd of December to get your answers submitted via our website and form. You'll get confirmation of your entry via email using the email address you've provided. Any entries that I entered. The cut-off for entries is on the 23rd of December at 10 p.m, 2200 hours. Get your entry in prior to then. If we only have one person with the correct answer, they're the winner. If we have multiple people with the same answers, as we've done in previous years, we will use the wheel of names to decide who the lucky winner is of the Inkbird hydrometer and temperature controller, so you can set up a curing chamber, your curing and smoking book from River Cottage, and your salami and chorizo starting kit from Weschenfelder. All up for grabs. So I'll be speaking to one lucky winner on Christmas Eve morning. So keep your phones handy, so I can give you a call to let you know before the video goes out on Christmas Eve. Anyway, good luck everyone. Hope you've enjoyed it, and Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to everyone.